Welcome everyone to the maths classes. Today we will continue our inning 1.2 of chapter 1 numbers. We will do question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, and then we will finish this exercise. Let's start. In last class we studied that how to write a number from a number name and how to write a number name from a number. So we have the question number 3, one pattern. So A pattern is saying 2,76,500. Second number of the pattern is 2,76,600. So what is the difference? So difference is 5 is here, 6 is here. It means 500 and 600. Then our next number will be 2,76,700. Yes, 2,76,700. Is this right? Everyone is getting this? Very good. Next, what will be the next number? What will be the next number? Yes, you have to tell me the next number. 2,76,000. And अब यहाँ पे देखो यहाँ पे we have 5, then 6, then 7, then we have here 800. Is everyone understand this? Very good. Now let's do the question number B. This question number B pattern. Let's see the question number B pattern is saying 7 lakh. देखो, this is ones period. This is thousands period. And this is lakh period. So we can also read lakhs period as we have to put as here. 7,34,110. This is 100. Okay, हमेशा आप कॉमा जो लगा रहे हो, if you have put comma, then you can read easily. This is lakh, this is thousand, and this is 100, then 10. So 7,34,110. Next number is 7,34,120. So what is the difference? The difference is this one is here, and here we have 2. Then what will be the next number? Everyone type in chat. What will be the next number? 7,34,130. It is very easy. Very easy patterns. So you just have to take the names, that is 7,34,130. Okay, next one is 7,34,140. We just change 10, 20, 30 and then 40. Is that clear? And in book itself you have to do the part C in homework and part D in homework. Question number 4, A part is 3,63,636. So this first period will be ones period, second period will be thousands period, and the last period will be lakhs period. So we will read the number, we will read it, read 3,63,636. Just write the number name now. Number name. Just write it down. So the number name will be 3 lakh. So we will write 3 lakh. So here we have 3 lakh. I am just helping you with this. You cannot write the number name like this. Okay, you can read it like this, जिससे आपको लिखने में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. You have to write the number name of every number. 3, you have to write the number name. 63, you have to write the number name. Like this, 3 lakh 63,636. Everyone got this? You can read it like this, but you have to write the number name like this. You can't write the number name like this, 3,63,636. आपको ये लिखना ही नहीं है. ओके, ये मैंने समझाने के लिए लिखा है, लेकिन अगर किसी बच्चे ने ऐसे लिखा तो वो गलत माना जाएगा. ओके बेटा, you have to write it like this. So we have 3,63,636. You all understand this? Now everyone have to do the B part. Let me tell you the B part. Okay, let me tell you the B part first. This is ones period. Sorry, once upon a time वाला once लिख जाता है. Then it is thousands period and it is lakh period. So this is 1 lakh. देखो मैंने S नहीं लगाया है, किसी को भी यहां पे S नहीं लगाना है, प्लूरल में नहीं जाना है. ओके, then it is 6,000 then it is 300 and 75. ओके, सब लोग चेक कर लेंगे अपना आंसर. 1,06,375. Everyone, please check your answer. Yes. Next, last, this question number C is, here we have ones period, thousand period, lakhs period. Then it will be 2 lakh. Then it will be 2,11,000. $100. $6. Check your answer first. Very good. Here we have ones. This is ones, right? This is your thousands, and this is your lakhs, right? So this is 4 lakh. So we will write 4 lakh. Then do we have to write thousands? क्या हमें thousands लिखना है? Do we have to write thousands? No, because we have 0 in it. Now 100, how many hundred we have? Very good, 500. So we will write it here, 500. Then after that, do we have to write anything else? Yes, because 1 is left. So we will write 1 here. 1. So this is all parts we will do in question number 4. Parts E, F, G, H we will leave for the revision. Now we will do the question number 5. This question number 5 is saying the distance between New Delhi and Paris. Okay, and Paris is approximately 6,601,000 meter. Sorry. Right? Write this distance in words. You have to write this number into number name. आपको इस number का number name लिखना है. You have to write this number in the number name. This is ones. हाँ जी, this is ones. then we have thousands, then we have lakhs. So how many lakh we have here? 66 lakh. How many lakhs we have here? 66 lakh. So this will be 66 lakh. Do not put as here. Okay. In number name, do not put as here. Okay, very good. Then we have how many thousands? How many thousands we have? Okay, you are saying that we have only 1000. अरे यार 01 लिखा हुआ है, 01 को हम लोग 1 बोलेंगे. अच्छा ठीक है, आप लोग बोल रहे हो तो मैं लिख देता हूं यहां पे. पक्का लिख दूं? हाँ जी ठीक है. ओके, 01 is 1. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. 01 is 1 पक्का ना? देख लो, मैं आप लोगों की वजह से लिख रहा हूं बोर्ड पे. 01 is 1 and then 1000. Then 1000. Yes, Govind is saying 1000. Okay, Saundar is saying done. Okay, 1000 लिख देते हैं फिर. You are saying that I am writing 1000. Okay, then do we have anything else to write? Meters. Very good, Jayant. Very good, Jayant. We have to write meters because we have meter here, right? Very good. So this is the distance between New Delhi and Paris, which is 66 lakh 1000 meters.